Good morning. Today we will learn new lesson pollution. Many problems have been arisen on the earth due to human interference in the nature. Industrialization, increasing population, mining, transportation, use of pesticide and fertilizers are causing pollution on the earth. It is affecting human being. What is pollution? What all gets polluted and why? The forms of nature which are harmed due to their misuse are said to be polluted. Definition of pollution: contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystem is called as pollution. Pollutants: factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on biotic and abiotic factors are called as pollutants. Pollutants make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of time by nature's rule. However, man made pollutants are not destroyed. Air pollution. Definition: contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes, etc. is called as air pollution. Reasons of air pollution: there are two reasons for air pollution. First, natural reasons. Second, man-made reason. Let's see natural reasons one by one. First is volcanic eruption. Solid gases and liquid materials emerge out through eruption. Example: hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, ammonium chloride, hydrogen vapors, etc., dust, etc. Second reason, earthquake. Poisonous gases and water vapors from inside of earth are released into air. Third, cyclones and dust storms. Dust, soil, garbage, pollens, microbes are mixed with air. Fourth, forest fires. Forest fires release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke in air. Fifth, microbes in air, spores of bacteria, fungi are mixed with air. Man-made reasons. First is fuel. Burning of fuel like coal, timber, LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compounds, etc. are released in air. Second, burning of solid waste, agricultural waste, etc. in open space cause air pollution. Industrialization. Smoke is released in large quantity from various factories. Sulfur powder, nitrogen oxide, cotton seed powder in air. Third, atomic energy plants and blast. Use of elements like uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium release radiations in air and thus pollution occurs. Air pollutants sources and effects. First air pollutant sulfur dioxide. Source: factories where coal and mineral oil used as fuel, effect irritation of eyes, respiratory tract, excess mucus, cough, breath. Second air pollutants, carbon monoxide, source vehicular and industrial smoke, effect lower oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Third, air pollutants, oxides of nitrogen, source vehicular smoke, effects irritation of respiratory tract and lungs. Fourth, air pollutants, particulate matter, source vehicular and industrial smoke, effect respiratory diseases. Fifth, air pollutants, dust, source vehicular and industrial smoke, effect silicosis. Sixth, air pollutants, pesticides, source production and use of pesticides, effects mental weakness, death due to prolonged exposure. Seventh air pollutants, methane, source industrial leakage, effect poisoning, skin cancer, asthma, respiratory diseases. Thank you.